Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the Citroen C3 battery. Okay, we need the coin, the battery, yeah, the battery CR1620 battery, and then a screwdriver. Okay, use the coin. Yes, release the keyblade. Okay, use the coin to twist it open. Okay. Okay, see, pull the cover away. Yes. Okay, you see the battery there is a CR1620 battery. Okay, be careful with the circuit board. Yeah. Okay, you just push the push the battery out. Yes. Okay. Okay, replace it. Yeah, this is a CR1620 battery. Okay, to replace it, just go in like that. Yeah, the battery. Yeah. Okay, go in like that, push it in. Yeah, push it in. Yeah, and then the put the cover back on. Yeah. Okay, like that. Yeah. Okay, go in like that. See, you just press it down. Yeah, press it down. Okay. Okay, it's very simple, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, this is Citroen C3. Thank you for watching.